how to receive money on Revolut. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can receive money on Revolut. So there are basically two ways on how you can receive money on Revolut. So the first method is by requesting money. Now I have a separate video on how you can request money on Revolut. I'll leave the link in the description. You can simply check that video out. Now in this video, I'll talk about the second method. So to do that, first of all, go to the transfers tab, which is on the bottom side of your screen, and then tap on the new option on the top right corner of your screen. Now once you've done that, you can see the option called create a payment link. Simply tap on it and then tap on the option request money from a card or Revolut account. Now once you've done that, it'll basically provide you a link with which you can simply receive money. Now if you provide this link to someone you'd like to request money, if they tap on this link, they can simply send you money how much they like, or if you want to request a specific amount, simply tap on the second option and then you can set a specific amount, and what that'll do is whenever someone opens this link, it'll be automatically prompted to send you the specified amount to you. So that is basically how you receive money on Revolut. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.